Hey guys, welcome to KK's Art Studio, where I teach you to draw some of your favorite things. So I was thinking, maybe today we should take a trip to the moon? Come join me as we draw a rocket ship. Alright guys, here we are. We are getting ready to draw the rocket ship. And it's not going to be just any rocket ship, it's going to be a rocket ship that is launching. So it's going to be super cool and I'm super excited. So what I did already is that I picked out some of my base colors for the rocket ship. I might add some more, but we'll see as we go. So our first step is to draw a straight line. I'm going to leave space for the top cone of the rocket ship, so I'll probably start right around here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, that's the start. And then what I'm gonna do is draw a line that comes down. It's not really straight down. It's a little curved and we'll stop probably right over here and I'll show you what I mean by that. Next step would be to draw a line connecting these two lines, a horizontal line. And we'll just connect this. Boom, so we have the body of the rocket ship. So what I would like to do is draw a little dot as a reference to where the lines meet. It makes it a little bit easier. So I'll draw a little dot around here. And what I'm going to do is draw lines that connect to the body of the rocket ship. And there we go. We have the top of the rocket ship. Next thing I would like to draw is the exhaust. So that's where all the smoke and all the fire and all the cool things come out of. So that's where I'm going to draw, and I'm going to draw it here at the bottom. What I'm going to do is draw a horizontal line again, but it's not going to be the same distance. It's going to be shorter. So I'm going to go down here. Okay, and then from here I'm going to go diagonal, almost like if I was making a triangle, just to connect to the blue line. So I'll go up here. Boom, we have our exhaust. So the next thing I would like to draw is what I think is probably the most important thing on the rocket. It's the wings. So we'll draw the wings, and the wings help the rocket be aerodynamic, helps it go faster, all the cool stuff. So we're gonna draw the wings. We're gonna draw it red as well. Just mixing a whole bunch of colors right now. Trying to make it super colorful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the center wing first, and I'm going to do that by drawing, right? And then as if I was going to draw a triangle. So I'll go like this. And then I'm also going to draw another dot that follows directly under this, and I'll say about right over here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this down. That's one wing for the rocket. Then I'm going to draw the two wings on the side. So I'm going to draw a line, and I'll stop maybe like right over here somewhere. And then I'll do the same thing right over here. I'll draw a line that's parallel to this and stops almost at the same distance. So I'll show you what that means. And I'll come out and I'll stop right around there. And then what I'm going to do is, with this one, I'll come out maybe a little more and then come down. And then I'll do the same thing here, come down at a point, and we'll close it off. There's one wing of the rocket ship. All right, so now this is what we have on our rocket ship. From here, we're going to draw the smoke, the cool part. We're going to draw the smoke of the rocket ship. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw two lines that come out and they stop about midway. So if you want, you could do the same thing that I did where I drew 2 points, or you could just freehand it, but maybe I'll draw the 2 points. So I'll come down probably around here. I'm also going to draw little lines here that indicate the direction of where the rocket is going. So we're going to draw lines. Then I'm going to add some details into the smoke that's been let off from the rocket. Then what we could do is add the details to the rocket, which is the fun part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some details to the exhaust. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line through this, not touching the red part. Then what we could do is we could draw a window, because what fun is it flying in a rocket and not being able to see all the stars and the moon and all different planets. So after the circle, we're gonna draw another line in. It's like the outside of the window. And we'll add little screws or nails that were bolted onto the rocket. So, and then we get to the fun part where we could just design whatever we want on the rocket. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna draw some stars. Continue the design, and I wanted to draw a planet. How cool would that be? So pretty. So that's what we're gonna draw on this side. So we're gonna start by doing like a half circle, or if it's easier to remember, like the letter C. For Uranus. Super cool. So now what we get to do is the fun part, and it is drawing in the rocket. So I picked out some colors that will pop out. You can pick whatever color you want, and let's get started. I'm gonna use a green as well, so I'm gonna do almost like a stripe design. You could get creative, add spots, add stripes, whatever you think will look cool. I'm just trying something out. Next thing I'm going to do is draw in the smoke. Smoke is typically like a grayish color, so I'm going to just shade this all in gray. All I'm going to do right now is outline the planet again. Decided to add a little more details. I'll add little bolts to the windows just so we know it doesn't open. There we go. A little face. So then what we're going to do is we're going to draw its rings or its stripes. And there we have it. You guys could end here. You could draw somebody in the window. You could draw a little alien. It's really up to you guys. But here's our rocket ship that has launched and it's ready to go into space to see all the cool things it has to offer. So thank you guys. Hopefully this was a fun drawing for you as it was for me. Please like and subscribe.